Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. 8 pops in 3 hours. Hi, I just want to share the wildest and daring things I did in my college days. So ito na nga, since mahaba ang difference ng mga subjects namin, normally pumupunta kami sa SM Manila to watch old movies or pumupunta kami sa Intramuros. One time kasama namin ng girlfriend ko noon yung girl best friend namin. Nakatambay lang kami sa labas. Nasa harap ko si girlfriend at nasa likod namin si girl best friend. Yung kamay ko hindi ko makontrol sa paggalaw. I reached out to flick her beans and do the spidey finger gesture, shooting web motion. And one time, sumakay kami ng bus na G-liner at umupo sa pinakalikod. At since taglibog na naman kami pareho, kinain ko siya at nilolipop niya ako. Every time na hinahatid ko si girlfriend pa uwi, since maliit lang siya at malaki yung bag ko, normally hinaharang ko yung bag ko sa katawan niya and ako naman doing the web shooter hand motion ulit parang si Spider-Man habang umaandar yung jeep. Every time na pupwesto si girlfriend na matutulog sa lap ko, yung kamay ko automatic na lumalamas. We also had sex inside our classmates' bathroom, just giving the excuse na sumusuka si girlfriend since umiinom kami with sumusuka sound effect habang binabayo ko siya. Nakakabitin lang at hindi ako natapos. There was a time I had 8 pops in 3 hours. Ganun katindi si girlfriend noon. But now, may kanya-kanya na kaming pamilya. And it's just amazing knowing na mabait ako.